I'd say the main business we're really focusing on is maintaining uptime and improving operational efficiencies. The main product we have here is actually the Sensit unit. You can kind of see right here, you just bolt it onto your heavy duty diesel equipment. It has all these sensors in here, and it's really monitoring vehicle metrics such as health of your engine, potentially health of your oil, what your utilization might be, engine hours, mileage driven, really trying to give those fleet managers or those equipment users full breadth of their specific equipment. But kind of what you're talking about, the personalization aspect of it, we engineered this solution to have what we call self-learning. And so every time we deploy one of these sensitive devices onto our customer's piece of equipment, it is learning that individual equipment. It's taking all the historic data that we have from Man Hummels 70 years of filtration expertise, but personalizing it to that piece of equipment.